Next camper van project, another Transit Custom. It's a long wheelbase 2016 with only 85,000 miles on the clock. 2.2 CDTI, I think it is. Excellent condition. I'm just cleaning the cab today and servicing. The T5 camper van I had for sale, that sold last night. That's good news. Just the usual grubbiness in here. There's nothing marked, broken, scratched, nothing. Should come up really good. Just a good clean today and good to go. It's got a rear view camera there. No, sorry, a rear view sort of camera setup. I'm going to put that back on the back and use it maybe as a parking thing, or go back to the original, using it as a rear view mirror. Excellent bodywork. There's a water authority vehicle, so it's kitted out with sink and shelving either side. Metal units are good quality. I'm going to actually bring them back to the unit and use them in here. Inverter. I'm going to keep that, bring it back to my usual sort of electric setup over here in the units. Lights, bits and pieces. I'm yet to go through that, to be honest, but yeah, pick it apart, see what I can keep. Rear windows in the side, obviously a window here. I bought this with a tailgate damage bumper in the corner there, and a tiny little bit on the, I think the light was slightly crunched in the corner here, which is annoying, but new light, new tailgate, new bumper cover and the corner there. It's pretty much the only way you can get cheap vans these days. Yeah, this is a good one. Security plates, which I'm going to keep because the scumbags managed to get into these there, and the security handle looks the same as the original Ford handle pretty much. I'm going to keep that. That's a good security point, especially being a camper van. Yeah, again, lighting not brilliant. I've managed to get the tube lights working. I'm going to have I think you can buy LEDs to put in these, hopefully, and then sort of detailing lights around the side of the unit, and at some point tidy up and build an office and build a storeroom. Yeah, but yeah, stock's good, stuff's selling, so all good. Right, tidy. Okay, cleaning done. It's come up really good. Not that you can see much, but the lights are in order, which is good news. So plan today, take all these electrics off, sort all the cables, get the cable rails and the old shelving rails out. A few bits of these I'm going to keep, obviously the inverter. Headboard out. I think this is, they're either 8 or 10 mils to get that out. Picking the ply up today so I can get the flooring sorted. Insulated first, then the flooring sorted. I'm going to use these plastic panels that are on at the moment. The panels that are on at the moment, they're a bit flimsy, not much good for insulation, so I'm going to use those as templates for 5mm ply, which I'll carpet. And obviously the bits that are showing will arches, but I normally silver insulate these and then carpet over the top. Slightly larger on these, so they'll come to the edge here maybe, just so they're flush again. carpet. Same with the tailgate. I'm possibly going to pine clad the roof lining, leaving a hole for the extractor there if I keep it. Maybe a roof vent halfway down, solar panel coming through. I'll paint that again. It'll look quite good in a grey wash, and then on with the units. So get that lot out. Okay, all good, worked well. Headboard out. Yeah, 5p, a few cashews, a lighter and a pair of sunglasses behind there. Parking tickets, normal. Only casualty is the rear view camera is off. It's going to be one of these to that, and there's a couple of feeds coming off these, so that just needs connecting. These need tying back. I'm left with 3 positives there I can come from, and a negative, which is going to be for the negative on the leisure batteries. So couldn't have worked out better. I decided to take off the roof vent. I'm going to go for one further up, lift up, maybe rain sensor one, I don't know. Quite fancy doing the next level basically. Yeah, diesel heater under the seat. I'm going to tap it into the tank. I've had some feedback from the guy that bought the previous one saying there's a bit of a whiff of diesel, and I can only think that's from the tank, so I'm going to tap it into the fuel tank just to eliminate that. Yeah, next, all of these side panels off, ready for the templates for the plywood. That's the side panels all off. Obviously I won't need the one there and opposite for the, because the windows will be there. I think these I'm going to bring out onto here so I can insulate these 2 sides. That's quite a big area of what won't be, well, effectively wouldn't be insulated that well, so coming out to here I can insulate the side of the van. Obviously you've got the cavities in there and the tailgate sections, so just that one to move. I've just had a delivery, I've got to basically get in this van and get out with it. So that's the end of this one. Next one will be the floor. Actually, I'm picking up the bed tomorrow from Kevrick's in Peterborough. Do maybe a little bit of filming there, and yeah, the next one's going to be the floor, the insulation, double-sided bubble silver anti, the words ain't coming out today, foil basically, the ceiling as well, insulation, recycled bottle cap in front of that, and probably the side ply panels as well.